Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best washing machine cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're tired of dealing with lingering odors, buildup, or even pet hair in your washer, then stick around as we dive deep into these cleaning solutions. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Shimmerix Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets for pet owners. This product is specifically designed for those of us with furry friends at home. Its standout feature is its ability to break down stubborn pet hair and dander that can accumulate in your washer over time. Plus, it's septic tank safe and works with both front and top-load machines, including high-efficiency models. The design of the Shimmerix tablets is all about convenience. Simply drop one into your washer and let it do the work. These tablets are unscented, making them a great choice for those who prefer odor-neutral cleaning solutions. However, while the product effectively tackles pet-related issues, it may fall short in addressing general grime and residue compared to some of the higher-ranked options. If you're a pet owner dealing with hair clogs and odors, this is a solid choice. But for those looking for a more comprehensive cleaner, this may not tick all the boxes. Pros include its pet-specific formulation and ease of use, while the main con is its limited effectiveness on broader cleaning tasks. At number 4, we have the Paparotti Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. This product is marketed as a pet owner-friendly cleaner, with a focus on eliminating pet hair buildup and odors. Beyond its appeal to pet owners, the Paparotti cleaner also does a decent job of removing detergent residue and grime, making it a versatile option for all households. What stands out about this product is its dual-purpose design. It targets both pet-related issues and general washer maintenance. The unscented formula is non-toxic and safe for all washer types, including HE models. However, it doesn't quite deliver the deep cleaning performance of some of the other products on this list, particularly when it comes to hard water stains and deeply embedded residues. This cleaner is a great value for those with pets and light cleaning needs. Pros include its pet-friendly formulation and ability to reduce lint and detergent buildup. On the downside, it doesn't excel in tackling tougher cleaning challenges, making it best suited for households with moderate maintenance needs. Securing the number 3 spot, we have the Bright Choice Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. These eco-friendly tablets are designed for universal washer compatibility, whether you have a high-efficiency front loader or a traditional top loader. The septic-safe formula is not only effective, but also environmentally considerate, which is a big plus for eco-conscious consumers. The performance of Bright Choice tablets is impressive, especially when it comes to eliminating odors and residue. The effervescent action activates quickly upon contact with water, making it a no-scrub solution for deep cleaning. Each pack includes 24 tablets, providing a full year of cleaning power at a competitive price. However, while it excels at deodorizing and removing residue, it may not be the best option for heavy-duty cleaning tasks, such as tackling hard water stains. This product is an excellent choice for regular maintenance and eco-friendly households. Pros include its environmental sustainability, ease of use, and universal compatibility. The main con is its moderate cleaning power for tougher grime and stains. At number 2, we have the Natruth Washing Machine Cleaner Descaler. With a generous pack of 30 tablets, this product offers exceptional value for money, covering 15 months of regular cleaning. These tablets are designed to dissolve quickly and leave no residue, making them a hassle-free option for both front and top-load washers, including high-efficiency models. The performance of the Natruth cleaner is noteworthy. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and odors from the washer drum while being fragrance-free. This makes it ideal for those who are sensitive to strong scents. The product is easy to use. Just drop a tablet in, run a cycle, and let it work its magic. However, it does require soaking for optimal results, which adds an extra step for busy users. This cleaner is perfect for households looking for an affordable yet effective maintenance solution. Pros include its high solubility, residue-free cleaning, and excellent value. The main con is the additional soaking step, which may not suit everyone's schedule. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Made by Nehemiah washing machine cleaner by Tide. Tide is a trusted name in laundry care, and this product lives up to the brand's reputation. The powder formula is designed to activate 20% faster than tablets, making it one of the most efficient cleaners on the market. With a 12-month supply included, this product offers convenience and reliability. What sets this cleaner apart is its powerful Oxy Plus TED formula. It not only eliminates odors, but also tackles hard water stains and deeply embedded residues that other cleaners struggle with. The fresh scent it leaves behind is mild and refreshing, enhancing the overall cleaning experience. The powder form also ensures a deeper clean compared to tablets, making it a standout choice for heavy-duty maintenance. This product is ideal for anyone looking for a powerful all-in-one cleaning solution for their washer. Pros include its superior cleaning power, fast-acting formula, and trusted brand. The only con is its slightly higher price point, but the performance justifies the cost. If you want the best of the best, Tide's washing machine cleaner is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy cleaning.